What's going on, guys? So today's job, just remove this window on this garage. I'm gonna sand it down, clean it up, and re-glaze it, and then prime and paint it. So here's a little before and after. There's the bottom one, and then the top part of the window I just finished. I ended up using my the grinder with a flat disc. I had one left over from a job from a while ago. Stripped that paint right off, and then I hit it with the orbital sander. Next step's gonna be glazing the windows. I'm gonna glaze them, and then I'll prime them with probably some cover stain, maybe Kills, something oil-based though. So I got both of them sanded down good, knocked all the old glazing out. I'm gonna head over to the hardware store now, pick up some window glazing, and I need we'll probably get cover stain or Kills. I'll see what they have over here. Alright, and I'll show you how I glaze them. So I finished glazing the first window. This is the bottom window. Decent job. Then you prime it and then paint it 2 coats. That'll hold the glass in place. So that's it for today. I'm gonna let that the window glazing dry overnight. And tomorrow I'll come by, prime it, and then I'm gonna hit it with 2 coats of the white. Oh yeah, it already looks a lot better. So I have both windows glazed and all prepped up, sanded, ready to paint. But this glazing, it needs a few days to set up, so I thought it dried overnight until I was looking at it. I was reading up about it last night. So it says to give it like 3 to 5 days. It takes about 30 days to totally dry and cure. But in about 3 to 5 days you can stop painting it. So I started doing the inside. I primed yesterday. So I'm going to do the inside of the windows. I got some emerald urethane enamel. I got a little 1.5 inch angled sash brush. I'll hit the insides today, maybe prime the outside too, and just leave the glazing alone. Anyway, that's what I'll do today. So, still needs a little work, but got the first coat on the outside now. This window is a mess, so yeah, it's looking good. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow, hit it with 1 more coat, and it should be good. So that's it. I hit it with another coat. Window's good as new. On to the next project. Everyone have a good day. Thanks for watching.